Hello, everyone! Welcome to today's lesson. We're diving into the world of nouns. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, teacher is a person, school is a place, apple is a thing, and happiness is an idea. Let's explore singular and plural nouns. Section 1. What are singular nouns? First, let's talk about singular nouns. A singular noun refers to just one item or person. For example, cat is one cat, book is one book, and city is one city. Easy, right? Section 2. What are plural nouns? Now, let's move on to plural nouns. Plural nouns refer to more than one item or person. For instance, cats means more than one cat, books means more than one book, and children is the plural of child. It's simple to form plural nouns. Section 3. How to form plural nouns. Now, let's see how to form plural nouns. There are a few rules. First one, for most nouns, just add s. For example, dog becomes dogs. Two and one nouns that end in s, x, z, ch, or sh will add es. Like box to boxes. Third one, if a noun ends in a consonant plus y, change the y to ies. So, baby becomes babies. And last, watch out for irregular nouns that don't follow these rules, like man to men. Got it? Section 4. Practice time. Now it's your turn. I'll say a singular noun, and I want you to think of the plural form. Ready? Tree. Trees. Fox. Foxes. Egg. Eggs. Great job! To wrap up, we've learned that singular nouns refer to one item, while plural nouns refer to more than one. We also explored how to form plural nouns with different rules. Keep practicing, and you'll master this in no time. Thanks for joining today. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons.